Are you ready for this simple recipe I'm going to share with you? It's an elixir, you can also call it a tonic, that we're going to add into our daily simple healthy habits during the 30-day cleanse and restore. And what will it do? It's going to I have a whole list here of things that it's going to help you with. And this is what, not necessarily in this order, but this is how I have it written down. It will help lose weight or also reduce bloating. It's also going to balance out our blood sugar levels. It's beneficial for the heart. It also helps with anyone that might be experiencing high cholesterol. It will help to flush out our toxins. It's going to boost our immune system. And this isn't the end of the list, but just another one, anyone that might be suffering from acid reflux. In addition, it's going to give you that energy. It's also going to reduce any acidity in the body. So if you have aches and pains in your joints or any aches in your body, it's going to alkaline the body so there's less aches and pains. And that's just a short list of some things it's going to do, but some of the highlights. So what is it? It's a combination of ginger, lemon, apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, and I think I got it all. Okay, so what we do is we take about 8 ounces of water. I personally use organic ginger, so I leave the skin on, and I take a piece about that big. You can go a little smaller. It's actually recommended about 1/4 of an inch. I use anywhere from 1/2 inch to an inch, but that's just my personal preference because I've been doing this for a long time. I know what my body likes. So start with less, add more if your body is like, I want more of that. And by the way, what is the ginger going to do? It's going to help aid in digestion with the acid reflux as well. And it's also going to calm the stomach and give the tummy that balance it needs. Then we add in 1/4 of a lemon. So what I did was, I'm just showing you the size of 1/4 of a lemon. I took the peel off and the pits out, put it in my cup. So it turns out to be 2 pieces. If I can get this other piece up, hold on. There we go. And then what I do with the rind of the lemon is I put it in my garbage disposal, and that cleans out my garbage disposal. Okay, so we got the ginger, we got the lemon. Lemon helps to reduce acidity in the body, and it also is a big, big, big aid in pulling out toxins. Why am I using lemon, the actual lemon, over lemon oil? The reason I'm doing that is I want the pulp because it's also going to help with the fiber to push and just push stuff out of the intestines. Same with the ginger. That's why I'm using actual ginger root as opposed to ginger oil. You may use ginger oil and you may use lemon oil. Of course, when I speak of these, I always only mean the doTERRA because they're pure, they're natural, and they're safe. Now, next we go on to apple cider vinegar. Again, I go organic. This is where I got mine from. It's Wegmans, and there's so many good brands out there. It doesn't have to be just Wegmans, but if you can, organic is great. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons. For you, maybe if this is your first time, you might want to start with 1 tablespoon. I'm going to do 2. And then cinnamon, and I'm going to just do a tap, and a tap. I do put quite a bit of cinnamon in my elixir because I like it that way. Cayenne pepper. Oh, by the way, sorry, the cinnamon is for the blood sugar, and cayenne pepper. And this is also for aiding in digestion, and it has other benefits to it. Now, obviously, the cayenne pepper is hot, so this is personal preference. I just go tap, tap. I've been doing this a while. I kind of visually know how much I like in there. Now, I personally love the taste of this. I do intermittent fasting, so therefore, I do not put honey in there. But you may, if you have organic, local sourced honey, because that will support your whole immune system, your digestion, your respiratory. If you have it, use it. If you don't and you're able to drink it without, that's great. The reason I don't put the honey in is because I do the intermittent fasting. I actually enjoy this elixir during the windows of fasting time because it doesn't count as calories and it can be enjoyed and consumed and absorbed into the body, not as food. And it can be enjoyed during the time of fasting because it doesn't count as calories and it doesn't count as breaking the fast. I hope that makes sense. All right, now, and I'm using a Ninja. I'm going to put my blade on. I'm just going to show you what this looks like after I blend it. You ready for the loud noise? Wait for it. Because of the ginger root, I tried to go about 30 seconds. I wasn't going to hold you here for 30 seconds, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what it will look like. And there may, you see the pulp at the bottom? There may still be some pulp of the ginger. That's okay. It's great. It's going to be fiber for you and your intestines. Now, personally, I love this. I won't make you sit here while I drink the whole thing, but I absolutely love it. I also sometimes will double or triple the recipe, the quantity, so that this way I have it done for 2 to 3 days and I keep it in the fridge and I take it out and I add warm water. And that's another option too. You can actually do this with warm water. It's your choice. We're in the warm season now, moving into summer. So I personally like the water room temperature. And if I didn't mention already, just to confirm, the actual recipe I worked with today is 8 ounces of water. So give it a go and add this in. Watch how your body is going to thrive in so many levels, especially most importantly, getting the body to that alkaline state and removing the toxins. Always here to support you, so reach out, especially I must know what you think of the taste, and I must know after the first 24 hours. How did it feel? How did your body feel? Did you notice anything different? Feedback is the only way I'm able to support you. When I know how you're experiencing all the tips and tricks and these daily simple healthy habits that I'm sharing with you, am I able to move further in supporting you to get you to that happy, healthy lifestyle balanced in body, mind, and spirit. I'm excited to hear from you.